9 556 308 50 cal. Yeah, buddy. It finally happened. I got an M82. It's called the M82. It's called the Barrett. It's called the Sasser. I call it being a responsible adult, caring about the safety of my family. With everything going on in the world, I finally convinced my wife to let me buy one of these. No, I told her. That's what happened. I told her. I said I'm buying a Barrett, and I did. That's how it works in this house. Lady pretty. This one's got the Strike Eagle 5 to 25 on it, and an ADM mount. I'm very impressed, very happy with the Strike Eagle scopes. I put a different grip on it, which isn't, obviously any form of upgrade, but it does change it from going. It cuts the angle. The stock angles of the grip's more like that. This one's more up and down, which makes a big difference when you're laying under it, I think. I put some brass spacers on the side of the safety selector pin, which took a lot of play out of it and helped a lot. Cut 2 coils off the firing pin spring, and just polished any parts that touch, and it really helped the trigger out a lot. Comes in a Pelican case. I've never owned a Pelican case before, so started from the bottom. Now we're here. I went with the M82 versus the M107. I like the M82. It's got the old school arrowhead muzzle brake, fluted barrel. It's got a flip up front sight, which I was unaware of, honestly. That's pretty cool. It's just freaking sweet, man. I mean, it's a Barrett. There's not a lot, you can really say about it that hasn't been said. I just kind of want to let people kind of get a closer view of it. People who've never got to hold one or lay eyes on one in person. It's got a flip-up iron sight it comes with. It's just, everything's just big on it. It's great. Just hearing the spring when it dry fires. It's awesome. It's something that I never thought I'd have, but I'm pretty lucky to own this, I think. It's safe to say. But there she is. I may do a shooting video on this just because of what it is, but I'm not, I'm no pro YouTuber, but I did think that somebody might want to get to see this one up close and personal. It's probably my favorite gun. So there she is.